Hey everyone, Christmas morning, and it's unboxing video for the Lego Marvel Superheroes. This is Loki's Cosmic Cube Escape. Looks like it's a lot of fun. My son got it last night for Christmas and he's pretty excited for me to put it together. He's 5 years old. See the item number 6867. And over here the 4654655. See, it looks pretty exciting to play with. And you can still see here that it's still sealed. And on the other side, looks like one of them kind of popped open a little bit, but the other one's still sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'll kind of show you what's inside. So it looks like we got a cool little catalog here. It's kind of a little comic story. It's got some pictures in there of some other things that Lego wonderfully offers us. Little mini comic. So we have that. Here's the wonderful instructions that we all know and love so much with the Legos. Kind of hear my son in the background. And then lastly, we just have the two bags. Sorry about the noise and the chatter. And then we have the other bag here with most of the pieces in it. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.